and Martin here, and you're watching Stacy Goes Outside.
Guys, click the Bass Angler magazine link in my video description below to take full advantage of articles from top bass anglers, new products, and upcoming industry news at a fraction of the cost. I'll be joining you as well, sharing articles and, of course, my passion as a multi-species angler, all while bringing you some great tips and techniques that are helping me along the way. Again, that link is in my video description below.
Hey guys, welcome back to Stacy Goes Outside. Today, I am back at beautiful Lake of the Pines in Auburn, California, which is probably one of my favorite private lakes that I've ever been to. I was here for the first time a couple of videos ago with my buddy Rusty, and he invited me back for their annual fishing tournament. So it's gonna be a really fun day of fishing. You can fish from a kayak or a boat. It's all individual weights. There is an upper and a lower division. The lower division is 16 and under, and then the upper is everyone else. Unfortunately, I won't be on my kayak because, again, this is a private lake and all of the watercrafts have to be registered through owners. So I'm going to be on a loaner kayak. I packed pretty light because I just don't know what the kayak situation is going to be. I brought a lot of stuff that I caught fish on last time. It's going to be a half-day tournament from 7 to noon, and I'm gonna go down there, get registered, and then let's go fishing.
Okay, do you have you like midnight?
No. Hi. Nice to meet you.
So she's ready whenever you are.
Okay. So I should bring myself down here then. I'm gonna go grab my stuff. Okay. Thank you.
Actually get to fish a tournament this time?
What's that?
Actually get to fish a tournament this time?
God, I haven't fished a tournament in so long.
Oh. So you're always announcing and helping.
What's that?
You're always helping.
I know.
That's all you got?
Yeah. Well, I didn't know like what kind of kayak it was. I've got the drop shot rod and then I got some other stuff, so.
That's all you need in this place.
Yeah, I just didn't know like what the setup was going to be, so I just packed super light. I mean, I always end up like bringing 6 rods and using 3 anyway, so. Right, so I've got a loaner kayak today, thanks to Ezra, and a nice little pedal drive. I only brought 3 rods because I didn't know what the kayak situation was going to be, so I packed light. So there are a lot more boats than there were last time I was out here, because when I was out here with Rusty, it was a Thursday and everyone was at work, but we've got a lot of boat traffic today. I'm just going to try to come out here and have some fun, so we will see what happens. In the home of the brave. Thank you. All right, guys, here we go. Everyone's leaving this area. All the boats are going the opposite way, so I'm gonna go over here. Start this jerk bait. Come on, one bite. Oh, frick. Can't believe this drop shot's not working. Okay, we are half an hour in, and I've only gotten one little nibble. It's time to make something happen here, guys. All right, we're gonna start moving here. Unless I see something under this cover. Well, guys, maybe there's a reason why no one's over here. All right, let's move. Holy smokes, guys. We're at the hour mark and I've gotten one nibble. This is no bueno. All right, we're gonna do something different. It's not a great start, guys. It's embarrassing. There's one. There's one. Oh, yes, come on. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, all right, let's go.
Hello.
Hi, I got one.
Where you at?
Okay, so I didn't really leave the marina, so I'm the only one over here.
I see you. Huh?
You see me? You see me waving? Okay.
Yes.
All right. See ya.
Okay, I'll send somebody over right now.
Okay, thanks. Okay, guys, it's my first fish in a tournament on a kayak. In this tournament, you have to call into the tournament director. They come out with a boat and they weigh it. So everything's legit. It's, you know, the same scale for everyone. So let's wait for that boat.
You know she's my pet fish, right?
Well, I'm trying to get her back in the water once they come and verify it.
I take care of her. She hangs out right there.
Oh my gosh. Well, you take good care of her. Am I supposed to come to you? I've never done this. Oh, okay. All right, they're going to come verify my fish and log it and everything. I'm so excited that I didn't blink today. This is fun. Okay, I'm trying not to like...
5 pound, 9 ounce.
Someone's got a 6-pounder?
5 pound.
Wow. Well, that's not very happy with me.
What's your name?
My name is Stacy. Stacy Barrowed.
2 pounds?
2 pounds! All right.
That's a small one for this.
I know.
Barwood?
Barrowed.
Barwood.
Yes.
All right, you're good with that?
Yep. All right. Nope, we're good. Thanks, guys. All right, we're on the board, guys. No skunk. I feel way better than I did 5 minutes ago. Good old drop shot. My little Clear Lake worm color. God, so I guess we'll stay with that until, well, we'll see. Ooh, now another one. Ooh. Oh, come on.
Hello.
Hey, I'm catching all the 1 and 2 pounders out here. I'm in the same area.
Okay, you got one.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna send them over.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Number 2. Oh gosh, this is probably a pound. Okay guys, I'm not claiming that these are giants or anything, but I am trying to catch my first limit in a tournament on a kayak today, so we're halfway there. All right, here comes the weigh boat. Trying to get 2 so I can weigh a couple. I'm definitely trending in the wrong direction. It's tiny, but this thing weighs a pound. I'll be lucky.
Love to catch. Those are more rare than big fish.
I know. I've never seen a fish that small come out of this lake. Stacy. Queen of the junior bass today. I think I...
It's supposed to rain at 9 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
According to the weather.
Really?
14 ounces.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I got some work to do. Thank you. I did not bring rain gear, guys. There's a deer and then the little baby. I'm trying to catch a fish over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh my God. Okay, calm down. Ooh, this one's better. Oh, look at that, guys. Holy smokes.
Hello.
Hey there, I'm right across from the...
You got another one?
Yeah, I got a better one. I think it's like three pounds. Not great, but...
Let's be up there. Okay. Okay.
Do you see me?
I'm going to send somebody over.
Do you see me? I'm
I
like...
see you right on the point there.
Yep, okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye. All right, guys, this is more like it. This has to be at least three and change. 3 and change. So I just attach this to my line cutter's fish gripper. I'm gonna put it in the water and keep fishing. Let's meet the boat because I don't want to disturb this water over here. What's that? Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Finally. Hey, the last one I submitted was 14 ounces, so. I know, it was embarrassing. All right, let me loop around. So I can... 3-2.
Good one. V-A-R-A.
W-E-D. All right, thank you.
3-2.
Thank you. This is about the halfway mark, so got a lot of ground to cover. I've got to catch a lot more fish because I've got a 14 ouncer in the mix and I can't have that at weigh-in. So let's do this. All right, we're gonna go right back to that spot. Okay. So 3 pound, 4 pound. I think I'm up to 6 pounds for 3 fish. Swear to God, you guys, this Stacy 90 jerk bait looks so flipping good in the water. No, are you kidding me? All right, I'm losing my shoes. Look at this BS. I have 4 hooks. I mean, what the heck? I got a few. Nothing huge. Come on. Are you kidding me? Come on. This fish is not as big as he thinks he is. Oh.
Hello.
Hi, I'm straight out from you guys again. Oh, the boat's coming, I think.
Okay, the boat's there, but he doesn't call. Tell Daniel to go weigh Stacy's fish right there. They're almost there. Okay.
Thank you.
Right there in front of you.
Yep, thank
He's
you.
coming.
All right. It's my limit fish. All right, the boat's coming again. That's one on a drop shot.
Here, I'll get you
We'll
a
see.
picture. I'll get you a good one.
Yeah, you should have seen what happened 10 minutes ago. It was a friggin' nightmare out here.
What happened?
I'll show you.
You know, it's stout. That's what. Good luck. The Corona plus. That's giddy.
Is this a big one?
No, I have 4 treble hooks in my shoelaces, so I had to take my shoes off. Yeah. And I'm trying not to like break all the hooks on my jerk baits. What's that?
You didn't get yourself.
No, I mean my shoes are back there because I'm like, I don't have time for this.
It's Stacy, right?
Yes, it's my limit. I've got a little one in there though. I gotta get it out.
Okay. Bring it up.
Lift up.
Nothing but net.
Another pickup.
How's 2 pounds, 12 ounces? sound?
212?
That sounds pretty good.
Nice.
Not
Do
bad.
you have another one?
What's that?
Do you have another one?
Another fish?
A second one right now?
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were
That would be amazing. I so tried to do that earlier. Like when I had my 14-ounce fish, I'm like, just catch a second one so they don't have to come all this way for a stupid fish.
We like to cruise around.
Oh my God. All right, thanks. Thank you. All right, guys, I got a 4-fish limit and I need to call out all of them. I need to call out that 14-ouncer for damn sure. Oop, there's one.
Hello.
Hey, tell that boat to come right back to Stacy.
I see you. You're getting close to the dam now, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
She's just leaving. Hey, tell him. She just caught another one over by the dam. Tell Daniel.
All right, party people. That is what you call a cull. This will replace that 14-ouncer that I so embarrassingly weighed earlier. We're on the right track.
Why don't we just stay here?
I hope so. I get rid of my 14-ouncer now. Woo!
We're coming to you.
Oh, okay. That's easier.
Something.
Got it.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yay. Let me loop her out.
Used to.
2 pounds, 4 ounces.
Woo! All right.
You got another one coming soon.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
All right, hopefully.
2 minutes.
Oh my God, that was such a good fish. That's so stupid. Sickening. Absolutely sickening. Well, that's what happens. Just have to catch another. Catching all my fish on a drop shot isn't exactly sexy, but guess what? Catching a limit and calling is the name of the game, so I really don't care how I catch them. Oh my God. Stay on. Oh.
Hello.
Hey, Rusty, what's my smallest one right now?
I'm sorry. What did you say?
What's my smallest fish right now? Do you know?
Hey, what is Stacy's smallest fish? 2 pounds. Right at 2 pounds. You need a weigh in?
I don't think this will go too.
She's okay.
Okay,
So-
thank you.
All right.
All right.
If you want to release it, okay. Bye bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
She said.
All right. Okay, guys, we have less than an hour. I'd like to get 1 or 2 more calls. Not that I think my performance today warrants any sort of trophy, but you know, this being the first tournament I've ever been in on a kayak, I'm pretty proud of myself. You know, you make all the decisions and you tell yourself where to go, and if you do well or do terribly, you know, it's all on you. Hello, can I get away, please?
Yes, I see you. Hey, Derek. Derek, a weigh in for her over there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
You got a 2+ pounder then?
I don't know. I just need to weigh it just so I don't throw away possibly ounces.
Okay.
All right.
We'll send somebody over.
Thanks. I might have wasted your time. I just don't remember what 2 pounds looks like anymore. That's not 2 pounds, is it? At least I'll know what that is, so. Thank you. Oh, that's right. Yes.
How many have you caught, Stacy?
4, 5. Well, this is the 6th I've weighed, but I don't think that's gonna call. I don't know.
We got you down for 2 that we weighed.
Yeah, that.
Oh, okay.
But did you have other? Oh,
Yeah. Yep. Oh, was it 1.5?
1 pound, 6 ounces.
Oh, okay. Not even close. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, crunch time. Last half hour. Let's see if we can cull anything. Come on, fish. Let's just cull one more time. I would be so happy. 4 fish and cull twice. I mean, I'm happy now. With the first 90 minutes without any fish, and it was looking bleak. Oh, you're kidding me. 12 minutes. 10 minutes left. Can I make something happen here? 5 minutes. Time's up. All right, let's head back. We're out of time. I am super proud of my tiny 4 fish limit. It was 4 fish, not 5. I think maybe I ended up middle of the pack, hopefully. You know, they said the fishing was hit and miss. Everyone zigged, I zagged. As we left the marina, everyone headed left. I don't know if that's south, north, east, or west. And I just putzed around this marina. I mean, I didn't go far. Just had a chill day without a ton of boats around me. It was a fun day, and we're gonna head back for a barbecue and kind of see who took the prize. What's that? Yeah, I got a limit. Small limit. Yeah. How about you? No luck? I culled once. I caught a bunch of fish, but I didn't catch my first fish for 90 minutes.
You caught a lot of fish. I was on the wave.
Oh, really?
You caught a lot of fish. Good luck.
Oh, thank you. I tried. It wasn't anything fancy, believe me. I didn't get one reaction bite.
The biggest fish was like 5'9".
Oh, God. That's like half my limit.
The 5 pounds, 2 ounces is Andrew Martin.
And then today's winner for the junior division combined weight, Weston got 6 pounds, 12 ounces. Right next to you. Yeah, good job, Weston. Good job, Weston.
All right, Rusty's got my final weight.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's 10 pounds, 2 ounces. He did.
I did break a double digit.
Yes, 10,
Sweet.
2. 10 pounds, 2 ounces.
Awesome. So I had asked Rusty to let me know where I ranked after all was said and done. He did text me, and out of the 43 people in my division, I actually placed 9th, which I am just so excited about. Only 10 of the 43 people got limits. So I was one of only 10 people who caught 4 or more fish. This news is just a cherry on top of an already great day. Had so much fun. Missed some fish. Had a wardrobe malfunction. But in the end, I think I did pretty well for my first time. So big thanks again to the Lake of the Pines Fishing Club President, Rusty Stadman, for the invitation. And of course, I can't forget to thank Ezra, who let me borrow a kayak for a day. And Ezra did tell me before I left that that was actually Clay Guida's kayak. So thanks, Clay. I will text you some photos in the next day or two. If you're enjoying my videos, drop me a note on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Let me know if you have any ideas for future fishing videos. And who knows, maybe when I'm back out again on Lake of the Pines, I'll see you outside.